Observing the sun. This is how you do it. Please go that way. Yes, I think it is. Alright, you see it there at the bottom left? Alright, well, we're going to see if we can get it to separate it from its illumination. But, yes, I think it's going to do it, yes. Cool, we might get a show here. Might last us a while, too. Here's the deal. The sun is not what you've been told. If anything, it's a Taurus, just like the aether spinning within our firmament is. Who knows? That's another day. But the trajectory of it is definitely reflective of a Taurus. It is constantly whipping around the north, and the trajectory widens and narrows, or whatever you want to call it. The circle path of it gets smaller and bigger throughout the year. We know that. And then also, what people don't really realize is because they're stuck on the scale of this huge sun 90 million miles away, but it also goes up and down a little. I think that's the zenith, or the I can't remember if it's the zenith or if it's the what do you call that, azimuth, or I can't remember. But anyway, you can do a lot of figuring things out by just watching how they do things on their little apps and the math that they use. I'm starting to uncover that when they say shit like 250 miles and shit like that, I swear to God, it's code for 250,000 feet. When you focus, or when you're trying to debunk these guys, listen to how they talk. And we know everything that we have goes up to like 150,000 feet tops, and then the pressure and temperatures, expand the air molecules in the balloons, and the pressure from the outside prevents it, and so it pops. And so we know that at 150,000 feet, there's still enough pressure to pop a balloon that has expanding air. Okay, here we go. So what you're seeing is, okay, now look at the white illumination around that sun. That's what you see every day through the clouds. And even on a sunny day, it's like half that big. So look how small the sun is compared to the light. I'm gonna try and say what I need to say while we're blessed enough to see this, because people don't want to believe me. Geoengineering is about the best thing you can have on your side for this. The metal in those clouds. You see this ambient light put over the area? It's done. It's this chem bomb that's high up. And by the way, that's another observation I'm about to get to the bottom of. When you look at saltwater ice in Antarctica, look at these sections and think of saltwater ice over the top of the water in the Arctic. Does that not look exactly the same? And it's funny how all clouds, sorry I went away from that, but I gotta do this fast. Anyway, when you look at them in Antarctica next time, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? And so, because I just fucking said that, and you're gonna be like, wow, there's something to that maybe. Because get this, 90% of clouds are formed over the ocean with salt water. Only 5 come from lakes and rivers, and only about 5 from industry, which is bullshit now. We know that. Industry is affecting a lot of this. Matter of fact, I just caught while this chem bomb comes over, certain things you'll see in town when